Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. A rare and beautifully restored Mercedes-Benz 170V Sport-Roadster. At first glance, this car, before its transformation, might have seemed like a lost cause. Not a task for the faint-hearted or weekend hobbyist. But for Pallab and his son Saurav, founders of father and son restorations in Kolkata, West Bengal, it was exactly the kind of challenge they thrive on. What entered their workshop as a barely recognizable 1938 Mercedes-Benz 170 Roadster has emerged as a concours-level masterpiece. Through relentless dedication, expert craftsmanship, and an unshakable belief that no restoration is beyond reach, the Roys and their skilled team have brought this classic icon back from the brink.
Those days, the European cars, they were constructed out of ash wood, which was sort of very stiff and it would not sort of absorb moisture and thicken up. But here in India, ash wood is not available, so we have used the best quality of sagun wood.